Moldova, official the Republic of Moldova, is a landlocked country in Eastern Europe with an area of 33,483 km² or 12,928 sq mi and population of 2.42 million. Moldova is bordered by Romania to the west and Ukraine to the north, east and south. The unrecognized breakaway state of Transnistria lies across the Dniester River on the country's western border with Ukraine. Moldova is a unitary parliamentary representative democratic republic with its capital in Chisinau, the country's largest city and main cultural and commercial center. Republic Moldova, Romania. Flag, cost of arms, anthem, Simba, Nostra, or Linux. Location of Moldova in European Union and its uncontrolled territory of Transnistria between capital and largest city Chisinau. Official language and national language Romania. Recognized minority language Syr, Belarusian, Bulgarian, Gagauz, German, Hebrew, Polish, Romania, Rusia, Ukraine. Ethnic groups 2024 Excel Transnistria 20 or 77.2% Moldovans, 70 or 7.9% Romanians, 4.9% Ukrainians, 4.2% Gagauzes, 3.2% Russians, 1.6% Bulgarians, and then 0.9% other. Religion 2024 Excel Transnistria 98.2% Christianity, 95.2% Islam Orthodoxy, 2.9% Protestantism, 0.1% other Christians, 0.4% other religions, 1.4% no religions. Demands. Moldova government, unitary parliamentary republic. President Maya Sandu, Prime Minister Dorin President, President of the Parliament Igor Grosu, Legislature Parliament Formation, Principality of Moldova 1346, Bessarab Governorate 1812, Moldova Democratic Republic 15 December 1917, Union with Romania, dan April 1918. Moldovians ASR 12 October 1924, Moldovian SSR to Aegis 1940, Transnistria War 2 November 1990, Independence from the Soviet Union 27 August 1991, Constitution adopted 29 July 1994, area include Transnistria 33.843 km per second or 13.067 SKMI, 135 water percent 1.4 include Transnistria. Excel the Transnistria 30.334 km per second or 11.712 SKMI. Population January 2024 estimated 2.423.340 in the world. 2024 census 2.424.033 in the world.
Рыбалка, как любовь, все время вечное волнение. Клюнет, поймаешь, не поймаешь, а что поймаешь?
214.5 or SKMI. GDP PDP 2025 estimated total US dollar 46.365 billions, 10 or 136 in the world. Per capita US dollar up to 19.678 94 in the world. GDP nominal 2025 estimate total US dollar 19.162 billions, 130 in the world. Per capita US dollar 8.260 89 in the world. JINI 2021 25.7 low inequality. HDI 2023 0.785 86 in the world. Currency Moldova Leu, MDL time zone, UTC 2, EET Summer, DST, UTC 3, AAST Kalingkode 373, ISO 30, CTC kode MT, internet TLD.mt, website www.moldova.mt. Third, date of proclamation independence subsequently finalized with the dissolution of the Weser in December 1991. Most of Moldova territory was a part of the Principality of Moldova from the 14th century until 1812, when it was added to the Russian Empire by the Ottoman Empire, to which Moldova was a vassal state, and became known as Bessarabia. In 1856, Southern Bessarabia was returned to Moldova, which 3 years later united with Wallachia from Romania. But Russian rule was restored over the whole of the region in 1870. During the 1917 Russian Revolution, Bessarabia briefly became an autonomous state within the Russian Republic. In February 1918, it declared independence and integrated into Romania. Later that year, following a vote of its assembly, the delegation was disputed by Soviet Russia, which in 1924 established within the Ukraine SSR a so-called Moldovan Autonomous Republic on partly Moldovan inhabited territories to the east of Bessarabia in 1940. As a consequence of the Molotov to Ribbentrop Pact, Romania was compelled to gather Bessarabia and Northern Bukovina to the Soviet Union, leading to the creating of the Moldovan Soviet Socialist Republic, Moldovan SSR, on 27 August 2021. As the dissolution of the Soviet Union was underway, the Moldovan SSR declared independence and took the name Moldova, but the split of Moldovan territory on the east bank of the Dniester has been under the facto control of the breakaway government as Transnistria since 1990. The Constitution of Moldova was adopted in 1994 and the country became a parliamentary republic. The president is head of the state and prime minister is head of government. Under the president of Maya Sandu, elected in 2020 on a pro-Western and anti-corruption ticket, Moldova has pursued membership in the European Union and was granted candidate status in June 2022. According to the EU, began on 13 December 2023, Sandu was suggested an end to Moldova's constitution commitment to military neutrality in favor or a closer alliance with NATO. She strongly condemned Russian invasion of neighboring Ukraine. Moldova is the second poorest country in Europe by GDP per official capita after Ukraine, and much of its GDP is dominated by the service sector. It has one of the lowest human development index in Europe, ranking 76 in the world 2022. Moldova ranked 68 in the world on the Gold Innovation Index as of 2024. Moldova is member state of the United Nations, the Council of Europe, the World Trade Organization, the Organization of Security and Cooperation in Europe, the WAM Organization for Democracy and Economic Development, the Organization of the Black Sea Economic Cooperation, and the Association Trio. Executive politics. Main article government of Moldova. The Moldova Parliament. The Republic of Moldova is a constitutional republic with a unicameral parliamentary system of government and competitive multi-party election. The Constitution provides for executive and legislative branches as well as an independent judiciary and a clear separation of powers. The president serves as the head of state, is elected every 4 years and can be re-elected once. The prime minister serves as the head of government, appointed by the president with parliamentary support. The head of government in turn assembles a cabinet subject to parliamentary approval. Legislative authority is vested in the unicameral Parliament of Moldova, which has 101 states and whose members are elected by popular vote on party list every 4 years. The president official residence is the presidential place. Jesse now. Maya Sandu, Moldova's president since December 2020. The 1994 Constitution of Moldova set the framework for the government of the country. A parliamentary majority of at least 2/3 is required to amend the constitution of Moldova, which cannot be revisited in time of war of national emergency. Amendment to the constitution affecting the state sovereignty, independence, or unity can only be made after a majority of voters support the proposal in a referendum. Furthermore, no revision can be made to limit the fundamental rights of people enumerated in the Constitution. The 1994 Constitution also established an independent constitutional court composed of 6 judges, 2 appointed by the President, 2 by Parliament, and 2 by the Supreme Council of Magistrature, serving 6 years term, during which they are irremovable and not subordinate to any power. The court is invested with the power of judicial reviews over all exercise of parliament and over presidential disgrace and over international treaties signed by the country. Free relation, main article, free relation of Moldova, Moldova neutrality and Moldova European Union relation. After achieving independence from the Soviet Union, Moldova region policy was designed with a view to establishing relation with other European countries, neutrality and European Union integration. In May 1995, the country signed the Independent Parliamentary Assembly Convention to become a member and was also admitted in July 1995 to the Council of Europe. Moldova became a member state of the United Nations, the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, OSCE, the North Atlantic Cooperation Council, the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and the European Bank of Reconstruction and Development in 1992-1994. Moldova became a participant in NATO's Partnership for Peace program. Moldova joined the Francophonie in 1996, the World Trade Organization in 2001, and the International Criminal Court in 2002. President of Jerusalem, Joe Rabichev, President of Moldova, Maya Sandu, President of Ukraine, Vladimir Zelensky, and President of the European Council, Charles Michel, during the 2021 Batum International Conference in 2014. The EU signed association agreement with the three states in September 2010. The European Parliament approved a grant of Euro 90 million to Moldova. The money was to supplement $570 million in International Monetary Fund loans, World Bank, and other bilateral support already granted to Moldova. In April 2010, Romania offered Moldova development aid worth of Euro 100 million, with the number of scholarships for Moldova students doubled to 5,000, according a lending agreement signed in February 2010. Poland profit $50 million as a component of its support for Moldova in its European integrated effort. The first joint meeting of the government of Romania and Moldova, held in March 2012, concluded with several bilateral agreements in various fields. The European orientation has been the policy of Moldova in recent years, and this is the policy the most continue. Nicole Timothy told lawmakers before his election in 2012. Indonesia 100 triliun rupiah. Republic Moldova, Russian, and document written in 2021 by the Russian FSB Directorate for Border Cooperation, title Strategies Objectives of the Russian Federation in the Republic of Moldova, set of a 10 years plan to establish Moldova, using energy, blackmail, and political or elite sources in Moldova that are favorable to Russian and the Orthodox Church, Russian Finnish and such plan. The Moldova Security and Intelligence Service (SIS) also ended a partnership agreement with Russian FSB after sending official notification to the authorities in Moscow. European Union accession. An article. Accession of Moldova to the European Union in June 2022. Moldova became a recognized candidate of membership of the European Union. Moldova set 2030 as the target for EU accession. Moldova signed the accession agreement with the European Union in Brussels on 27 June 2014. The signing comes after the accord was drafted in Vilnius in November 2013. Moldova signed the membership application to join the EU on 3 March 2022. On 23 June 2022, Moldova was officially granted candidate status by EU. The United Nations Development Program in also providing assistance to Moldova in implementing the necessary reform for full accession by 2030. The European Union representative of the Union for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy, Joseph Borrell, has confirmed that how the accession does not depend upon a resolution of the Transnistria conflict. Forum accession that began on 13 December 2022. A referendum on joining the EU is planned for autumn 2024. There will be no voting station in Transnistria. Whoever resident there will be free to travel into other areas of Moldova to vote should their wish to. Security, the European created a partnership mission in Moldova to ease the mountain security and defense police on 23 April 2023. The mission seeks to support the government of Moldova in countering the country faces as a result of the 2022 recent invasion of Ukraine. On 2 February 2023, Moldova budget allow introduction criminal penalties for separatists, include prisoners. The law continues with penalties for financing and inciting separatism, polluting against Moldova and collection and stealing information that could harm the country's sovereign independence and integrity. Military man article, Military of Moldova, a soldier of the Moldova Army at the Joint Multinational Readiness Center in
as you can see on my face.
Hohenfels, German. The Moldova Armed Force consists of the ground force and air force. Moldova mine a standing army of just 50 soldiers and spends just 0.4% of its GDP on defense for begin its region neighbors. Moldova is committed to a number of international and region control of armed relationship as the UN Force Protect Stable Region Implementation Plan, the UN Program of Action AOA, and the ESCO Document of State of Convention Ammunition. Since declaring independence in 1991, Moldova has participated in UN peacekeeping mission in Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, Sudan, and Georgia. On 12 November 2014, the US granted the Moldova Armed Forces 39 amphibious and 10 trailers with a value of $700,000 to the 2020 peacekeeping battalion of the Moldova Nation Army to increase the capability of Moldova peacekeeping contingents. Human Rights Forum House ranked Moldova as a parliamentary country with a score of 62 per 100 in 2023. They summarized their field as follows: Moldova has a competitive electoral environment and freedom as assembly speech and religion are most protected. Nonetheless, pervasive corruption, link between major political figures and powerful economic interests and critical differences in the casting sector and the rule of law will continue to hamper democratic government. According to Transparency International, Moldova Corruption Perception Index improved to 39 point in 2022 from 34 in 2020. Roberts further improved Moldova's press freedom index ranking for 59 in 2020 to 40 in 2022, with continuing that Moldova's media are diverse but extremely polarized. The country itself, which is marked by political instability and excessive influence by oligarchs. Administrative division. Main article administrative division of Moldova is the cities in Moldova, list of location in Moldova and communes of Moldova. Moldova is divided into 32 districts. Rioana Sibular Rayon, the municipalities, and 2 autonomous regions, autonomous territories units, Gagauzia and the land bank of the Dniestr. The final state of Transnistria is disputed as the central government does not control that territory. 10 other cities, including Comrat and Tiraspol, the administrative state of the 2 autonomous territories, also have municipal status. Otmita, Briceni, Denduseni, Edinet, Soroka, Drocia, Riscani, Floresti, Kloteni, Alti, Soldanesti, Floresti, Singerai, Razina, Falasti, Talenesti, Ugeni, Kalarasi, Perhei, Duparasi, Ukren, Citraseni, Nisporeni, Romani, Cisinau, Aneni, Noi, Traspol, Intesti, Laloveni, Causeni, Chemislia, Liova, Stefan Fota, Basara, Yaska, Komrat, Cantomi, Cawi, Taraculia. Largest cities in Moldova. Second Moldova census 2004, not one word. Visited Moldova largest cities 2042. Rindestronet 2004 census 2004. 3 nation break of 1. This is 644 204 develop Ngarat 20.113 2 Tiraspol Pop 129.500 12 Straseni 18.376 3 Balti 102 82.157. 13 USD 17.210. 14 under 91,000. 14 Candelunga 16.605. 5 Ripmita 46,000. 15 Chaushani 15.93 men. 6 Ugani 30.800. 4 60 Tadru 16 or 15.934. 7 Kahul 30.018. 7 and Dinet 15.52. 8 Saroka 22.196. 18 Trotia 13.150. 9 Arhai 20.065. 19 Laloveni 12.515. 10 Tugasari 25.700. 20 Intesti 12.490. T Sinau T Raspol LT Bender Law Enforcement and Emergency Service Moldova Police for Regional Police in the Subsector CL Crime in Moldova and Healthcare in Moldova report to the Minister of International Affairs MEI and is the primary law enforcement body responsible for internal securing public orders, traffic and criminal investigation. G20 several agencies responsible for border management, emergency situation, migration and asylum also report to the minister. How there is maintenance effective central effort to security forces. Moldova police are divided into state and municipal organization. State police profit law enforcement. Moldova will municipal police operate at the local administrative level. Nation and municipal police forces often collaborate closely for law enforcement purposes. The special forces Big Fulgur is a specialist combat ready police officer primarily responsible for tackling organized crime, serious fraud crime and hostage situation. They are subordinate to the general police inspector and therefore under strict civilian control. ASEAN Economy Man article Economy of Moldova overview. Statistic database. Annual growth of GDP 1980 to 2028. Annual percentage of gross domestic product with near term project their data in adjust for inflation. 1980 under 10% or 0%. 1990 under negative 10%. 2000 under 0%. 2010 under negative 10%. 2020
culturală a sitului și a istoriei sale ca spațiu de adunare publică, proiectul va include restaurarea părților emblematice ale stadionului, plasarea unor instalații de artă publică și crearea unui nou parc de care să se bucure oraș.
Up to 0% or under 10%. Score Traction Monetary Fund 2023 of data what is economic growth CC by total growth of GDP for Moldova, Romania and Ukraine or with in data. The economy of Moldova is an emerging upper middle income economy with a human development index since the country gained independence from the Soviet Union in 1992. It has steadily transitioned to a market economy according to World Bank. Despite strong economic performance over the past 2 decades, Moldova remains among the poorest nations and European growth has remained relatively since the 1990s with low level of unemployment and varying levels of poverty, but a combination of demographic factor, expansion and aging population, a significant level of emigration and recent even as recent innovation of Ukraine has posed serious economic change to the Moldova economy, particularly due to inflation and recent energy prices. Recent growth has remained poor and a significant properties of the population are religion on government pension and social assistance due to Moldova's history religion upon Russian oil and natural gas. The energy sector has posed a particular change to the country's economy. GDP database statistics. Moldova
împart în două grupe, sau republicani sau democrați. Și l-am întrebat dacă asta e adevărat.
1987 under 4,000 US
sau fiind ambasador, el este neutral.
95 under 2,000 US. 20
Sunt foarte onorat să fiu la așa lecție publică.
2,000 US.
Le-a spus despre cum e aici în Moldova, despre
05 under 2,000 US. 20 10 2000 US dollar.
personală.
2015
Foarte interesant când vezi așa
under
cu
4000 US
noi
dollar.
însuși Bălțiu,
20
universitatea noastră
21
cu
Moldova under 4000 US dollar. Real GDP per capita development of Moldova, the world in data CC by 40. Secure World Bank and OECD data is 8% in country 2015 is US dollar. Our world data average economic growth CC by GDP per capita is almost double from US dollar to the 749 USD in 2052, US dollar 5,062 in 2022. Following the COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown, annual GDP growth rebounded to 13.9% in 2021. Before Russian invasion of Ukraine, energy and resource crisis caused growth to collapse to negative 5.9% as of 2022. Unemployment remains low at 2.3%, but inflation not dramatically increased to 28.7% due to the energy crisis caused by the invasion. Recent years, the country has suffered significant economic assistance from the European Union, IMF, and World Bank. Particularly after recent invasion of Ukraine, the IMF predicts that in 2023 the economy will improve from a 1.5% country to a growth of 1.5%. Moldova remains nearly vulnerable to fluctuation in remittances from works abroad, which constitution 25% of GDP export to the Commonwealth of Independent States, CIS, and European Union, EU, 88% of total export, and donors support about 10% of government spending. The main transmission channel talk with adverse exogenous could impact the Moldova economy are remittance also due to potential returning migrants, external trade, and capital flows. The economy's primary export are agriculture, apparel, and support equipment. In 2021, Moldova export US dollar 140 million in wind and is the 21 largest exporter of wind in the world. With wind export began the country's largest export, with its 300 days of sunshine per year. The climate of Moldova is ideal for agriculture and particular financiers. The main industry is a major economic sector, representing the percent of Moldova's GDP and 8% of the country's total export. According to government data, in 2021, the EU become the main purchase of Moldova Winners. Information and Communication Technology (ECT) is one of the most promising economic sector in Moldova, according for more than 10% of GDP. More than 2,000 students graduate with a grade in computing. For a relative film per year, its company export about 80% of the total product United States, the Ukraine Kingdom, France, Germany, and Netherlands, and Romania. GDP years South World Bank years GDP in US dollar 2070 9.52 2018 11.25 2090 11.74 2020 11.53 2021 13.69 2022 14.50 import per years sources World Bank years import bill in US dollar 2017 5.37 2018 6.39 2019 6.61 2020 5.92 2020 7.91 2022 10.91 export per years Secure World Bank years export billion in US dollar 2017 3.12 2018 3.45 2019 3.66 2020 3.22 2021 4.20 2022 5.98 energy with from natural energy result. This sector is an export from energy in Moldova. Dubasari Reservoir. Moldova import almost all of its energy supply. 50% of the country's national energy company, Moldova, is owned by Russian oil and natural gas supply Gazprom. The remaining 50% split between the Moldova government, 36.6%, and the unrecognized government of Transnistria, 13.4%. Moldova territory depends of Russian energy is underserved by a debt of more than US dollar 709 million to Gazprom, as well as a virtual US dollar 7 billion by Transnistria. Russian supplies the breakaway pro-Russian region with oil and natural gas without requiring them to pay with the cost level as the agenda. Moldova served as a form of economic warfare. The Moldova government is put the figure and has independence more than US dollar 100 million in fraudulent claims by Gazprom. In August 2013, work began on a pipeline between Moldova and Romania that has now been complete and has broken Russia's monopoly on Moldova's gas supplies. Importing electricity from Romania began in 2022, breaking the net to be by electricity product from Russian gas in Transnistria. Improved connection will be complete by 2025. As of June 2023, Moldova no longer import oil or natural gas from Russia and has been granted access to the European Union joint gas purchasing platform. Financial assistance was provided by the European Union, World Bank, and IMF in order to speed up this transition. Moldova lacks domestic source of fossil energy and must import substantial amount of petroleum, while natural gas and other energy resources primary energy supply in 2018 was about half natural gas, quarter oil, and solid biomass 1/5. Renewable energy has expanded very well, and Moldova is trying to diversify sources of energy and such purchasing from Russia. Tourism. Main agriculture in Moldova. Moldova is one of the least visited countries in Europe, and tourism consequently by a relatively minor role in the country's overall economy. This is the impact of recent innovation of now giving Ukraine Moldova more tourism vision in the first quarter on 2022. Then pandemics, going from 30,000 non-resident tourism in 2019 to 36,100 in 2022. This still makes it one of the least visited countries in Europe and world in recent years. A member of Western media outlets have begun to eclipse Moldova and its capital city, Chisinau, as an attractive tourism destination due to its picturesque natural landscapes, 100 days of sunset per year, low prices, with culture and mix of region culture influence. Tourism in Moldova is focused on the country's natural landscape, historical cities, and historic wind tradition. The government promotes international tourism with this country took its Moldova travel brand. Moldova internationally is connected by plane via Chisinau International Airport with direct flight to and from many European destinations, including Amsterdam, Schiphol, Berlin, Bandung, London, Paris, Charles de Gaulle, Tel Aviv's Ben Gurion Airport, Rome, Fiumicino Airport, Istanbul Airport, and Dubai International Airport. Will connect it via direct overnighting trains to neighboring Bucharest, Kiev, Odessa, and formerly Moscow. Moldova citizens also enjoy visa-free travel across the Schengen area. Other national park as a major exporter of wind with more than 142 wineries or national park, and the largest wind cluster in the world. Vineyards tools are overall to tourism across the country. Major states include the three Sova wineries, which will wind color stretches more than 120 kilometers or 75 million. Castelmini, 19th century Ceteu with vineyards, museum, art gallery, spa, hotel, and restaurant, and Milestimici, which boasts the world's largest collection of wine. As a country with a deep history as of Eastern outward Christianity, the country also has more than 50 monasteries and 700 churches. Among the most famous and well-visited are the Old or High Cave Monastery, carved into a cliff face in the 13th century and still in use today, and the 19th century Nativity Cathedral in the center of Chisinau, UNESCO included, but the archaeological landscape with features evidence of settlement dating back to at least the 12th century, and the typical Chernozem soil on the Balji steppe of Moldova, the most arable soil on the planet, on its tentative list of World Heritage Site. The capital city of Chisinau hosts most of the country national museum, including the National Museum of Fine Arts, Moldova State University, French Gallery, the National Museum of History of Moldova, with over 20 or 236 exhibitions, as well as bustling market in the north of the city, including the house where Alexander Pushkin once residents will in exile from the Russian Tsar, and which has since been turned into a museum every year on 3 to 4 October. The country global national Vindai Guardian product open up their winners the general public and profit business padun lokasi in industry. An article Moldova win Milestimici is from the world biggest win color. It is 300,000 per year. The climate in Moldova is ideal for agriculture and particular financiers. The wine industry is a major economic sector, representing the percent of Moldova GDP and 8% of the country's total export. According to government data, Moldova wine is being exported into over 70 states in the world, with although Moldova is very larger than Belgium. The country has 122 districts of financiers and is among the 20 largest product in the world, according to a report by the International Organization of Wine and Wine (OIV). Before Russian invasion of Ukraine and Moldova pivot toward Europe, a major of its wine export went to Russia, but this has no change. Russian accounted for only 10% of Moldova wine export in 2021, down from 80% in the early 2000, according to figures from the Moldova Ministry of Agriculture. The EU liberalized its market for Moldova wines and has signed a bilateral free trade deal with Moldova, with the result that in 2021 the country export more than 1,020 million liters of wine the European countries, compared to 8.6 million liters to Russia. Agriculture. Moldova is an agricultural industrial status with agricultural land occupying 2,499,000 hectares in a total area of 3,384,600 hectares. It's estimated that 1,801,050 100 of this hectare area arable. It is among the most arable countries in Europe, with the Cyrenaican soil across the Baltic State being among the most fertile soils anywhere in the world, with more than 300 days of sunshine per year. Supporting the cultivation of vine this year, Moldova is also one of the largest wine product in the world. Moldova agriculture sector benefits from a geographical proximity to largest market, especially the European Union. As 2021, agriculture made up 12% of Moldova overall export and 21% of overall employment. Transport infrastructure. Moldova, the main of transport in Moldova are railway 1.138 km or 707 mi and a weak system 12.730 km or 7.910 mi overall, including 10.937 km or 6.796 mi of paved surfaces. Rail link connect it via direct Evernik trains to neighboring metros Kiev, Odessa, and also Moscow. Telecommunication internet in Moldova is among the fastest and least expensive in the world as of 2023. The country ranked 3 in the world by gigabit coverage, with around 90% of the population having the option to subscribe to a gigabit speed fiber optic broadband plan. The United Nations Development Program has stated it to have a high development digital infrastructure with 98% 4G coverage of its territory. By July 2022, there were more than 3 million internet users in Moldova, constituting some 76% of the population. Moldova is considering a bid to begin rolling out 5G in 2024, where testing began in 2019. Starlink launched in Moldova in August 2022. Information and Communication Telecommunication (ECT) is one of the most promising economic sector in Moldova, accounting for more than 10% of GDP. More than 2,000 Moldova students per year graduate with a degree in computing or a related field. Banking. See a list of banks in Moldova. The National Bank of Moldova is responsible for the financial system and has a responsibility to the management and control of all banks in Moldova. It is accountable to the Parliament of Moldova.
Mai spune-mi că ești frumoasă și că-mi vei fi mireasă și vom avea o fată. Mai spune-mi